Hey, Sarah. Good afternoon to you and to everyone watching right now. Welcome to another slow, gentle conversation on unlocked English fluency. Today, we're going to talk about the protests in Iran, a major current news story that began in late December 2025. We will share only simple facts from reliable sources, give a little background, explain how ordinary people are affected, teach some useful English words, and practice sentences together slowly. This is all designed to help you improve your listening, speaking, vocabulary, and confidence without any pressure. Let's take our time and begin.
Hey, Maurice. Good afternoon. Hello to all our viewers, especially beginners who want to unlock English fluency step by step. I agree, this topic feels heavy, but discussing it slowly and calmly helps us learn real-world English and practice expressing feelings. We can use words like sad, worried, families, safety, and repeat them many times. I'm ready. Let's go very gently together.
Thank you, Sarah. The protests started on December 28, 2025 in Tehran's Grand Bazaar. This is a large traditional market where many shopkeepers sell everyday goods. The shopkeepers closed their shops early because prices were rising very fast and economic problems were becoming much harder for them.
Yes, I understand what you mean. The main reason was economic hardship. The Iranian currency, called the rial, dropped to a very low value compared to the US dollar. At one point, it reached more than 1.4 million rial for $1, making imported things much more expensive for normal families.
Exactly, Sarah. That explains a lot. Inflation also increased greatly. Reports say it reached around 40% or higher in many areas. Food prices rose by about 72%, according to some sources. This kind of sudden change creates worry and stress for every family in daily life.
Right, and this situation didn't appear suddenly. Iran has faced economic challenges for many years already. There are international sanctions, resource management issues, and other factors that made things difficult. The currency had been losing value slowly over time, but in late 2025 it fell much faster.
When you said fell much faster, it really helped me understand. From that small market closure in Tehran, the protests spread very quickly. Within just a few days, demonstrations appeared in many other cities and towns across the country.
Yes, reports say protests took place in over 180 cities and all 31 provinces of Iran. That means almost every part of the country was involved in some way. People from different backgrounds joined: students, workers, shop owners, and families too.
True, the feeling was widespread. People talked about prices, jobs, and how hard daily life was becoming. It became a very large movement in a short period of time, involving many ordinary citizens from different regions.
And as the protests grew bigger, the situation became more complicated. News from human rights groups like HRANA and Amnesty International reports that many people have suffered greatly. They mention over 2,500 deaths in total, including protesters, civilians, some children, and security personnel.
Yes, hearing about children and families losing loved ones makes the heart hurt deeply. Many parents, brothers, sisters are gone, leaving behind people who are searching, grieving, and trying to continue with everyday life while carrying that heavy sadness.
Right. The human side feels the hardest. Thousands of arrests have also happened, more than 18,000 according to some organizations. Families wait outside police stations or prisons, hoping for news about their loved ones, sometimes waiting days or even weeks.
Waiting without clear information is very painful. Reports also talk about families going to hospitals to look for injured people, sometimes facing extra difficulties to get information or even to bury their loved ones peacefully.
Yes, those small details show how much suffering there is on the personal level. In addition, there have been widespread communication problems. Many provinces experienced internet blackouts, sometimes lasting several days or longer in some areas.
Exactly. Blackouts make everything feel more difficult. Phones don't work, messages can't be sent, people feel cut off from family and the outside world. They worry about safety, they worry about each other, and they can't easily share comfort.
Feeling alone and cut off must be frightening. Hospitals sometimes became very crowded with injured people.
True. When places that should be safe, like hospitals, feel uncertain, the fear spreads to everyone, especially to children who are already scared. This shows how news events touch real individual lives, not just big numbers on a screen. So true.
Every person in those reports has a name, a face, a family, a young student who dreamed of studying, a shopkeeper who wanted fair prices, a mother who wanted enough food for her children. These are real human beings, just like us.
That brings the news closer. That's why we practice English, so we can read these stories, understand them better, talk about them calmly, and feel a little empathy for people far away from us.
Yes, empathy means trying to understand and feel what someone else is going through. In English, we can say simple sentences like, I feel sad for the families, or my heart is heavy when I hear this news.
Beautiful. Let's practice them slowly together. First sentence. The protests started because of economic problems. Repeat it after me. Take your time. Breathe between each word.
Now, this one. Inflation makes prices go up very fast. Say it gently. Feel how the sentence moves smoothly.
Good. Next, many families are worried about daily life. Pause a little, speak clearly. It's okay to go very slow.
And one more emotional one. Children should always be safe. Say it with kindness. This helps us practice caring language in English.
Nice. If you're repeating at home, try recording yourself on your phone. Listen back. You will notice improvement even after just a few days of practice.
Yes, small daily practice changes everything. Even one sentence a day, like, I understand the news better now, is a real step forward in your fluency journey.
I love that thought. Talking about difficult topics slowly also teaches us patience, both with ourselves and with others around the world.
Right. We can practice phrases like, I hear you. I feel that too. It's okay to feel sad. These small words make conversations feel warm and supportive.
Exactly. News from Iran or any place reminds us that human feelings are the same everywhere. Worry about family, hope for better days, desire for safety, these exist in every country.
So beautifully said. This is why our channel exists, to help beginners feel less alone, to practice English in a gentle way, to talk about real things without any fear.
Yes, Sarah. Every viewer here is taking a brave step by listening and trying to speak. That courage matters more than you think.
It really does. If this conversation helped you even a little, please leave one simple sentence in the comments. Something like, I feel worried, or this news is sad.
Exactly. Your comments make us happy and help the whole community grow together. We read every single one with care.
Thank you, Mourise, for this calm, heartfelt talk. It touched me very deeply today.
Thank you, Sarah, and thank you to every beautiful soul who stayed with us through this gentle conversation.
If you enjoyed the slow practice, please give the video a gentle like. It really helps our channel continue.
Subscribe to Unlocked English Fluency so you can join us for more slow, heartfelt news conversations like this one.
And press the bell icon so you get a notification when a new video is ready for your practice.
Speak a little English every day. Be kind to yourself. You are doing wonderfully well.